Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Pro Wrestling Crate. Woo! Okay. And my 20-year-old actually
wrestling.
cut this open. Okay. So it says, spoiler alert, I won't even look at the other side. Okay. Double or Nothing. Me and my husband are going to that this month.
Whoop.
Yay.
Who got our good rate? I did. So yeah.
At a hotel, she means.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not at the event.
Yes, at a hotel. Sorry. So she could go and stay.
Okay. So the first one, I think it's going to be Cody. Oh, no, it's all of them. Elite Rhapsody.
This is AEW
As
EVP
Kenny and the Young
t-shirt.
Bucks and Cody. I'm pretty sure.
Yay.
Yeah. I think, right? Yeah. Okay.
That's awesome.
And this was just thrown in there, I think. Or did I put it back?
20% off. I don't know. You might have moved it. I feel like.
Well, no, because the other one was this one. So,
Oh.
yeah. So,
Double or nothing. Double or nothing.
Okay. Next thing.
We're going to grade her to see how good she is.
Oh.
I'm guessing everything. Where
Well,
it goes with.
knowing what it, yeah. Anyway, is this just like a, I mean, is it like a patch, obviously? I would just prefer to buy the
An
stuff with
AEW
it,
logo
yeah.
patch.
Yeah. Okay.
So far, that's 2 for 2 now.
Well, I think some of
Almost
these
too easy.
are not going to have names on them. They're just like, they're just
I know.
all
We'll just judge on the ones that have
But we can
people.
wear them to the event, so yay. My husband can wear this one, and I'll wear the other one.
But
Okay.
AEW
Oh,
Explosion.
toothbrush. Approved by Dr. Burt Baker.
Well, it's not fair if it tells you the name.
That's cute. I don't know what we, like, we'll just have to put that somewhere.
So far, you got 1 for 1.
And it
then
says SCU! But then it says later. That's cute. I'm dropping the toothbrush. Okay. Oh, gosh. And then I would just say his name's MJ. I don't, it says MJ, I'll probably just say MJ.
well, okay. Well, that's. I'll give you 2 for 2 because
He's-
as everything else, I feel like it's giving you the name, but that one. Well, that one actually gives you the name too. So yeah, so I can't even.
Yeah, but I would just say MJ, but yeah, he's the one who's,
I feel like it's cheating. They got the name on everything this time. Darn it.
I don't want to say he's not so pleasant, but I think it's, yeah, anyway, Cody will find out. And then this is the Lucha, so I guess it's just like a video of them.
Lucha Brothers High Spots.
They're going to be wrestling the Young Bucks, I'm pretty sure, I think, at the event coming up.
That's awesome.
Oh, and then, hang on, there's one more. Stay box. It wants to like flip over.
They'll probably tell you their name too. I was like, yep.
Oh yeah, and the girls that I like most of the AEW are like the guys who watch me. But yeah, it says Cody Ray. So that is what we got.
I know. So I was like, you would have gotten 100, but everything's already got the name on it.
Labeled.
So it doesn't really count. She can't get a grade for today, other than like not applicable.
Yeah, but
Or it's like a, what are the ones for like, you have 1, 2, 3, or 4 for your kids are in
Yeah,
elementary
it's back in
school
here.
and, or S for satisfactory or something. But anyhow,
I
that
like
was it
everything
for
I
this
got,
Video.
so that's
Yeah,
good.
and
Yeah.
they love this
we always, I think, like
particular brand of wrestling. But if you like this video and it was short enough for you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 200 subscribers or less. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.